Welcome back, my people. And this is the return of English season 2025 season, and we are back with a lot of predictions that you are going to enjoy. Our winnings are going to be massive because different keys are set for us to produce draws to you, and then you enjoy our banker draws. And then please don't forget to subscribe, click the subscribe button and subscribe, comment, and also share these particular videos or this particular channel to help people like you that are looking for where they can get sure banker draws to be able to bet on and also enjoy massive winning. So let us check one or two what we have for this week. We have two draws for this week. So this is week 10. The matches that are going to be played on the 6th and 7th of September 2025, and these are the matches from our chart. Here is from number 1 to number 49. You can see 1 to 49. All right, so now let me take us back to the memory lane and history of how the games we are going to predict are going to be a draw, fixed draws. So now let's go to the first blue. This is the beginning of English. So this is the first English week 4. It was purple color, and the second week was week 5 brown color, and then the third week was week 6, which is a blue color. So the key that we have for this week is a week 6 key. A blue key, as in blue key. So the key that played here is setting again to play for the second time here, and anytime you have a second time appearance is always banker, very sure. So now let's go. Let me show you the games. Okay, so now if you check, this is where we call the I score quiz, and we have some numbers here. You can see number 1, number 7, and number 8. So now whenever you see on this particular chart that the game here plus the game here is equals to the game here, it means that this game is a draw. So 1 plus 7 is equals to 8, so 8 is a banker draw. If you check other weeks, it's not like that. If you check other, let me show you other weeks. You don't see anything like that. See other weeks. This is another 1 plus 7. You see that the 16 there is not 8. It's not the answer that is there. You check another week. You can see 10 plus 14. 18 is there. It's not the answer. The answer is 24, but it's not there at that bar, that particular position. So now this is the key pointer. It means that on a blue setting, on a blue coupon setting, whatever that is here plus here is equals to whatever the answer is, and it's here, the key are set. So now this is the key. So now you pick the first game as your banker draw, then come to the week. What's the week of play? The week of play is week 6. Now you come to this chart. This chart is called the treble jinx. Come to number 6. You can see at number 6 there. What number is in number 6? Number 1 is in number 6. Which team was in that number 1 chart? You can check it that Crystal Palace, Liverpool was at number 1. So now when it comes like that, any team that is in that number must be a draw. So you can see that the marking here is it was a draw. So Crystal Palace FA Cup Community Shield versus Liverpool was a draw. So you now play number 1 as your draw, and then the answer, which was number 5, as a draw. For you to play number 1, remember you have to go and check the week of play, number 6 at this chart. Now let's come to this week. And see if the key are set. So now this is another blue, and this is week 10. You can see this week 10, and then blue. Now let's go to I score quiz. You see that number 2 plus number 3 is equals to 5. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Now 5 is your banker draw. Which team is in number 5? Come to number 5 and check. We have there Cheltenham versus Accrington at number 5. You can see at number 5. So that number 5 is a draw. And then this other one, the first one, remember, we'll come to the week of play. The week of play is 10. You come to this chart and check number 10. What is in number 10? You see that number 2 that is here is going to be at number 10 to produce a draw. So which team is in that number 2? What would we have? Barrow versus Swindon at number 2. So Barrow Swindon is going to be a fixed draw. So we have number 5, number 2 as a banker draw, and number 5 as a banker draw. Meaning that Barrow is going to draw with Swindon, and then Cheltenham is going to draw with Accrington and number 5. So that's our bankers, 2 bankers for the week. You play that and enjoy your winnings. And don't forget to share your winning experience with us at the comment section. Thank you very much. We still remain your draw punters, the soccer research punters. Thank you and have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.